Regardless of how complex a yacht's electrical system is, boats will never be the ideal environment for an electrical system. From a safety standpoint, more than 55% of fires on board boats that were investigated by Boat US were found to have been caused by wiring and electrical problems. In this video, we'll take a look at some additional steps you can perform regularly to maintain proper electrical health and safety on your yacht. New sounds. Be cognizant for any new sounds, vibrations, changes in heat, or noticeable changes in your boat's operation. Being aware of and acting on these changes will allow you to avoid potential problems. As every boat is different, this also gives you the opportunity to identify smaller, less threatening changes in your boat's operation. Then you can monitor them over time to give you a better baseline for serious issues going forward. The more closely you become accustomed to your boat's behaviors or personality, the more easily you'll be able to identify any potential problems. Routine visual inspections. Work with your marine electrician to create a basic routine for visual inspections. Depending on the size of your boat, the tools you have at hand, and the equipment and electronics you have on board, this can change from boat to boat. However, they should all cover the same basic areas. You should be looking for anything exposed, corroded, or any deteriorating wires. Also, any wires that are now visible that were not previously, and any equipment or machinery that is giving off too much heat or using too much power. Other things to look for are signs of water damage or weathering, especially near electrical equipment, any shortages in any of your yacht electrical systems. Run thermal testing to see if any parts of the boat are giving off too much heat. Run pumps regularly. It's important to regularly test the onboard equipment, which of course includes your boat's various pumps. Pumps are susceptible to deterioration and general erosion. This can lead to things like overuse of power, pumps overheating, and in some cases circuits being shorted or even fires. Make sure to regularly run your pumps to not only test that they are fully operational, but to also watch and listen for anything out of the ordinary that may indicate a problem to come. Schedule routine maintenance. Most importantly, it is imperative that you work with a trusted yacht electrician to not only perform an initial audit and inspection on your boat when you first purchase it, but to also develop a comprehensive audit tailored to its needs, as well as a schedule for this audit to be performed regularly. Most boats will typically schedule these routine inspections to be once or twice per year. But depending on the size of the boat, the complexity of its equipment, as well as how and how often it's being used, it may mean that a more regular inspection schedule is appropriate. To schedule one of our experienced yacht electricians to perform a comprehensive audit on your yacht or boat and develop a schedule for routine yacht inspection, please reach out to one of our experienced team members. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.